Hi, to change ringtone of your Xiaomi 13, just go in its settings first and from here choose sound and vibration tab. After that, you would need to tap on the ringtone like this, and now we got many options for our new ringtone. Just swipe up or down, so scroll to check every option available. Also, you can go in the categories and select category for your ringtone. For example, let's choose happy. And let's select something from here like warm blues. We can tap it and now we can listen how it will sound. And if you would like to set it as your current ringtone, you would need to tap this bell icon and then confirm that you want to select it. And now it is applied successfully, so let's check it. It is named warm blues, so we just need to go back in the settings. And yeah, now we can see this name Warm Blues under the ringtone tab, which means that that is our current ringtone now. Also, let's go back in this section. Here we can see those two folders. We can go in pre-installed ringtones, select it, and now we can see system ringtones from which you can always choose something, for example, toy robot or something like that. And if you wanna set a custom ringtone, then go in this tab, choose local, and now you can select either recorder or your audio files or your music app. So if you have some songs installed on this device in the music app, you can select them from this list. But as you can see, I don't have any songs, so I'm just gonna choose audio files. Here, allow everything. And here I got this song, which is Warm Blues as well. You just need to tap it, then confirm by tapping OK that you want to set this ringtone. And after that, choose this green button to apply and again confirm. And now it is applied successfully. So that's it, how it works. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.